Hi everybody, it's Gail at Ladyfingers Sewing, and once again we have another wonderful shipment of Anthology Batiks. I am thrilled. I'm always on the lookout for the latest and greatest and more unusual fabrics that not everybody else carries, and Anthology never disappoints. So the quality of this fabric is amazing, and this is a beautiful light blue. Again, they don't give me the name of the collection, but if you got this morning's email, today is the 23rd of June, 2021, you will see the name of this collection. I know we've gotten a number of these in. Another beautiful blue with cream stripes on it. I think this might be Ship Ahoy or Flowers, something like that. Anyway, here's a beautiful light, kind of a aqua-y blue, baby blue with cream circles on it. The nice thing about batiks is they are really, even if they're directional, they're really non-directional because of the way the chops are placed on the fabric. They're never like really straight, which is cool when you're chopping these up. These are really pretty light blue aqua-y flower. And a great, looks like little hearts, little leaves, however you want to interpret it, in a pretty kind of a strawberry color. Little hash marks in a pretty red as well. And a very nice floral. These go with everything. They're just really great. Okay, another box from Anthology. This is more beautiful blues. I have a feeling this might be Ship Ahoy. It doesn't really tell me, but just looking at the colors, that looks like what it is. This is a really neat kind of a leafy shelly kind of a print. Again, these are subject to interpretation, which I really like about certain fabrics, because depending on what you pair them with, they morph into another motif. And this is the little, could it be hearts? Could it be leaves? Could it be bird feet? We don't know, but it certainly is beautiful. Okay, another pretty with lines. These are diagonal, but again, they're not straight. So when you chop them up, it really doesn't matter. Isn't that wonderful? Really cute circle. These are about a ½ inch in diameter, I would say. So nice blue, greenish background, 3/4. Yeah, Bill says he's measuring, with pretty strawberry circles. And the next heart motif, a blue background with pretty light red. Okay, 2 more in this box. These are happy summery colors, I think. Another kind of a turquoisey green with purple and pink flowers. And then another circle motif with a pink, reddish pink, light red, which is really hard to come by, and then multicolored circle motifs on it. All right, here comes box number 3, Anthology Batiks. Here's a really great background. This is a nice cream color with mostly red, a little bit of turquoise and green, multicolored little dots, little pebbles. And a beautiful toasty brown color with the little speckles on it. And a lighter tan with the speckles. These are great lights. They're not too light, not too dark. They're just right for a quiet spot in your patchwork. And this is the just right shade of purple. It's a nice lighter purple, so it blends well with so many other things. wonderful, wonderful blue with the darker blue dots on it. Here's a great kind of seafoamy green with greener, so a lot of times we need a transitional print, one that translates from one color to, or bridges one color to the next. And I like that this goes from turquoise to green. If you're doing some sort of a color story, this is an ideal print to bridge that gap. And of course, we always need this wonderful acid green. This is a great color. If you look in my green department, you'll see I tend to buy a lot of these because they just work so well with so many other things. And another citron-y, almost, it looks like it would glow in the dark, but it doesn't. But this is a really great greeny yellow. Okay. Okay, and the final box for this morning from Anthology. I'm pretty sure this is also Batiks. Yes, indeedy. And this is another, I don't know if it's called Freckles or what, but it looks like Freckles to me. And this is a multicolor on a charcoal blue background, I would say. And another pretty, this is a really nice gray. It's almost a little bit greenish bluish. Good background fabric. And a very pretty pink. Really nice. These are mostly medium tones. There's a couple darks in here. Here's one of them. So this is a nice, busy, crackly, lighter blue on a dark navy blue. And that shelly leafy print we saw earlier, navy with lighter blue. And our little hearts, another blue on blue. Great colors, super wonderful. This one reads more tone on tone, but it's the little, I'll call them little hash marks or equal signs. Great filler. And last but not least, the crackly one with a medium blue with a very light blue lines on it. And that's it for today. Be sure to check our YouTube channel and subscribe to it, and check us out on Facebook, and certainly come into the store when you can and shop online at ladyfingerssewing.com. That's it. Thanks so much.